Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LT 1500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 199,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, 6-disc CD changer, and automatic climate control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.